Well, folks, I made it to Toronto. I am on the subway officially. Boy, I miss these sounds. Please stay clear of the doors. Here on the subway, I love the sound of that. Been 2 years, been too long. Yeah, it's amazing being able to do this by myself. Lisa taught me the first couple of years I was here.
Next station is Korean Station.
Here we go. Never get tired of that. Quite a few people out though, I gotta say that. All masked, all vaccinated. Whether you're for that, I have no idea. Yeah. I got vaccinated so I could come here, so I did it for Toronto. I love the sound of that. There we go.
Please stand clear of the doors.
Yeah. Well, you know what, folks? I don't know when my next video is going to be. Maybe at Frightmare. Who knows? But thought I would do this so that when I'm listening to my headphones and stuff at work, I could relive some of these times because I miss that. Look at that. It has the map behind me. The whole map. So there we go. I know right where I'm supposed to go. Well, folks, Python on the subway, taking off here.